Since we're in the neighborhood of the Goodwill in Bristol, thought we'd stop by and see if we can find something.
Simple sells for good profit.
2 for $1.99 in the cobalt blue little martini glasses by Luminarc France. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. I'm not sure what these are going for. There's 2 of them here. These are 2 eBay sold comps from $2.75 to $23 for 2, but I decided to pass. I see this style of glasses quite frequently. In fact, I had bought some at the ReStore, and then I found some at the Dollar Tree. So what's that tell you? The brand is Crystar, the pattern is Lexington, and they are cobalt blue. And it's $3.99 for a set of 6. But as I said, they're selling these at the Dollar Tree now. Mary's Irish Cream. Those are different. 2 of these sold on eBay for $6.99 plus shipping. Not enough to buy them. This ashtray was interesting. I don't know if I can say this right. Avante-avenue, Armenian American cigar manufacturer. They wanted $3.99 and they're selling for less than $10 on eBay. Here are 2 sold comps. This fish plate is kind of cool. It says Jonathan Adler, made in China. Woohoo! $2.99. So maybe they'll have some more. I not only check eBay for sold comps, I also sometimes take a look at images on Google. You can actually search things by Google Images. And when I saw these plates by Jonathan Adler were going from anywhere from $29 to $75, I was definitely interested. Things are changing at the Goodwill. Every single glass is marked $1.99. There's a whole bunch of them. Instead of putting them as a lot, it's $1.99 each. That, my friends, is a serious price increase. Same thing here with these little compotes or sherbet dishes, $1.99 each. That's too bad. Prices are going up. Look at this little trinket dish. Yes, it's vintage. $7.99 though. Woohoo! Goodwill in Bristol, Tennessee. Yep, things are going up. So funny. About 2 weeks ago, I found a Mickey Mouse in this gray. Now I see Pluto, $3.99. It's a rattle. I'll have to check him out. I was a little disappointed when I checked sold comps, selling for less than $10 to less than $12. I decided to pass. Yes or no? Do I take her home? She's huge, and she's just the head, no body. Peugeot. I've sold some of these before. I wonder if there's another one. It's a grinder. Any others? That's an old bottle. I sold a set of these before, but I wasn't sure if one would be a good purchase or not. But one did sell on eBay for less than $28, so yeah, I think I'm going to seriously consider this. I just ran back when I turned around and saw this. How did I miss this cookie jar? I bet they want a fortune for it. Oh, it's all chipped up. Chip, chip, chip. How much and what is it? It's $9.99. You know, this could be an unmarked McCoy. I'm going to try Google Images and see. So this guy is a Happy Clown cookie jar, brand unknown, but it's got so many chips. Somebody tried to color that one in. Chip here, chips on the back. Somebody's got one listed for $65, and they want $10 for this. And the condition's not good, so sadly, I'm gonna have to leave them behind. It's cute though. This one sold on eBay for $65, and one sold for $16.99. They're similar style, different painting. The one I found was too damaged. I left it behind. What you got?
It's called the Scan Marker Air.
$6.99, okay.
And it's for being able to highlight electronically. It integrates text into speech and translates languages.
And they're going for, oh, okay, I like that. $1.99. I'm sure there's always some selling for less, but we definitely can flip that. Am I going to find anything? Of course I am. That big fish dish is glass big. It's only going to about 25 and they want 5 for it. So I think I have to leave it behind, but really cool. This fish plate intrigued me, but at $4.99, selling for $25 or less, and being so large, no, I left it behind. I think the lady that saw it after me picked it up.
This is a carved wood Tibetan prayer wheel.
That's pretty cool. It's wood, right? You said it's wood.
Yes, it's carved wood.
Looks in good shape.
Just a little dusty.
It might be a souvenir piece. It may just be a decor piece. It's $5.99. What are they going for?
Could be 50, 60.
All right, I'm in. Let's get it. So what did I find that day? Was it worth the trip? My Peugeot salt grinder sold for $30 plus shipping and paid only $1.99. And the carved wood Tibetan prayer wheel paid $5.99 and listed it for $129.95. I missed showing you this in the video. Mark found it. We paid $2.99 progressive electronics adapter. I was so excited that it sold right before I put this video out for full asking price of $39.95. Great find, Mark. And the scan marker digital highlighter pen that Mark found, we paid $6.99. That's paying up at Goodwill. We did list it for $119.95. And the Jonathan Adler fish plate that I found, I'm so glad I bought it. Paid $2.99 and it sold for $49.95 plus shipping. Woohoo! Mark and I are in Bristol at the Goodwill. We come here once every month or so. Last time I was here, I found a fish plate worth $40, so that wasn't too bad. But overall, we don't find a lot here, do we, honey?
Not usually.
But we'll see. Come with us, and if we find something good, this video exists, so keep watching. There it is. We come up here to go to the Red Lobster across the street, is the truth of it. We come up here for lunch once in a while, and I can't help but go across the street and check out the Goodwill. And that was the irony of finding the fish plate last time, because we just had a seafood lunch. Let's go in and see what we can find. Oh, cart. I need a cart. I often get comments about the fact that I bring in my own basket. I say it's BYOB, bring your own basket. It's actually quite small. That's all I have for hard goods. A very small section. Smaller than ours in Kingsport, but we'll take a look around. Just check these plates out from Poland, the dancers. But we couldn't find anything on eBay. Someone on Etsy had them marked, some of them marked really high. No sale on eBay. This little blue canister is by Ellie Smith, and they want $5 for it, $4.99. Going for about $20 to $25 plus shipping, so I think I might leave that behind. This sold comp shows that it sold for $39.99 plus free ship. Shipping was probably $15. Should I have bought it? That's a maybe. What did we say, Mark? This is Indiana glass.
Yeah.
What'd you find there? One listed or sold.
This is listed.
Listed for $35. They want $5 for this too. I don't know. You know how it is with this gold, with this gilding. It's never perfect. I mean, this is better than some, but I think we might leave that behind too. These are really pretty. Just a partial set, as you see. But what surprised me is that it's Libby. I'll show you here what they are. I'm not going for much on eBay as far as really finding any solds. Some crazy here. I'm leaving behind. They want $9.99 for this set. One of these Libby Live 7 pink plates is listed on Google Shopping for $14. They wanted $9.99 for all of them. Should I have bought these? I know, my gut feeling says no. No, I didn't buy them. I got excited at first when I saw this. It's Lenox China Stone Glories on Gray. Just two little bowls, 4 plates, a couple cups, and a creamer. But you can see it has some staining and not in real good condition. So I'm gonna have to leave these behind, but that's kind of too bad. Let me take a look at the next plate. It's not horrible, but it's not great. A lot of scuffing. Yeah, I have to leave them behind. Otherwise, if they're in good condition, I would get them. Because they can have some value. 8 dinner plates sold on eBay for $69.99 plus shipping. And 4 dinner plates, only 4, sold for $79.99,
free ship.
So why am I spending so much time talking about these Lennox dishes, Lennox China stone dishes? I'll show you. Earlier this year, I think it was January, Mark and I went to the Goodwill in Elizabethton, Tennessee. It's about 40 minutes away. And I found this stack of Lennox China stone country holly dishes for $6.99 for all of them. I did a little research while in the store and I decided to buy them. Sold comps showed me that 4 salad plates sold for $24 plus shipping. Remember, it's $6.99 for all of them. It was an assortment of plates and bowls, and I decided to buy them. And I sold 4 bread plates, yes, only 4, for $49.95 plus shipping. That was exciting. And I sold 2 fruit or dessert bowls, 2 bowls for $30 plus shipping. So now are you seeing why it's good to pay attention to Lennox China stone? But there's more. I picked up a small stack of Lennox China stone Midnight Blossoms. I love that the pattern is so easy to find on the bottom of the plate or dish. Again, I paid $6.99 for the stack of plates. And these aren't dinner plates, these are salad plates, a 6-count lot of salad plates, and I sold them for $45 plus shipping. What did I pay? $6.99. So that's why I spent a little extra time checking out these Lennox China stone dishes. And I suggest that when you find Lennox China stone, that you take a little time and do a little research. I think you're going to be very surprised.
This glass bottle is made by Clevenger Brothers in New Jersey, and the amethyst color seems to be rare in their glass products. This is the first monument to George Washington. Don't know if you can read that.
Not too well. I mean, a little bit. I see George Washington there. Okay.
And on the other side, there's a family crest. That's probably Washington's crest.
What's it have on the bottom? How much is it?
$1.99.
The only thing I think it's missing is a cork.
I don't think they all have
What's
corks.
that? What do you think it's worth?
I think it could be a $30 sale.
30? All right. Fingers crossed. Look at those clouds. I think it's going to rain. Oh, I thought I found something here. It's a Christmas house for It's a Wonderful Life. But there's supposed to be a little tiny man right there. And it's not the original box. And it doesn't have the light. It's $3.99. Still might have potential though. Yes, I'm missing the man on the bridge. I think there's a good reason that somebody might have removed the little man on the bridge. I forget his name, the character's name, but you know, one sold on eBay for $47. And I listed the UNESCO It's a Wonderful Life Little Christmas Village, Bedford Falls Bridge for $39.95. We listed Mark's find of the South Jersey Clevenger Brothers Amethyst Purple Bottle, paid $1.99, listed it for $49.95. So was it worth it? Well, let's see. We had 3 sales and paid $7.97, and they sold for $119.90 plus shipping. And we still have more things to sell. So was it worth it? Of course it was. I got to go to Red Lobster for lunch. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and Mark and I will see you soon. Be sure to subscribe. Simple sells for good profit.